Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add captions in Lightroom. If you are new to Lightroom and you don't know how to add captions to your photos, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So at first, open the Lightroom app on your phone. Now, choose the photo that you want to add captions to. Now, simply click on the share button and choose export as, and you'll be able to see include watermark, customize. Simply click on customize and you can change the text over here and you can add any captions that you want to add to your photo. And you can also change the color of the text from here, just like this. Furthermore, you can also increase the size of the text just like this, and also the font from here. And furthermore, you can also increase or decrease the opacity of the text from here. You can also change the position of the text simply by clicking on the white dots on your screen, just like this. And once you're happy, go back and click here to export the photo with the caption. Now, we'll check our gallery. And just like that, we can add captions in Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.